Hello guys, welcome to Tech Envy. Here on this channel, I help you to perform simple computer tricks and hack you can simply do all by yourself without the aid of anyone. If you want to know more, please subscribe to this channel and hit on the bell to be the first person to view any video I upload. See you in the next seconds. Hello guys, welcome to Tech Envy. Here on this channel, we help you to perform simple tricks and hacks you can easily do all by yourself without paying any money to anyone to help you out. Now on this video, I'm going to teach you how you can get any activation key to any software you have downloaded without buying the key or paying money to someone to get you the key. Let's get started. Open your web browser and type the name of the software in the search engine. For example, I want to get a verified key for this software, HTML pad 2020. So when you are done typing the name of the software you want the activation key just for free, add 94FBR just after the name of the software you want to get it for free. After typing it, just add 94FBR and hit enter on your keyboard. Now you can see here HTML pad 2020. This is the version, crack with product number, free. So the first link, usually use the first link, just tap on it or click on it to open. Now when it opens, you scroll down or you can read about your software. Anything concerning your software, you can read about it, and then you scroll down and come down here. You can see crack plus setup. If you want to get the setup of the software you are looking for with the latest version, or you want only the crack key for that particular version or the serial key. So now this is something you have to understand. You have to know the latest version of the software you have downloaded, else when you get a different versions key for the software you want, it wouldn't work. So you have to know the type or the kind of version you are searching for. You have to know the software you are going to search for. You have to know its version before you can get the correct key, else it wouldn't work.